I'm Blair Johnson, and this is your Sports Action Update for Thursday, July 27th. 6-0 in our Best Bet segment here for the week, thanks in part to the Marlins scoring a franchise record 22 runs against Yu Darvish and the Rangers Wednesday. We were over the total of 10.5 by the fourth inning. Here's my best bets for today, Thursday, July 27th. First, I love one of our app's contrarian plays of Yankees minus 110 against the Rays. New York starter CC Sabathia is 16-14 against Tampa Bay in his career, but 2-0 against Kevin Cash's club in 2017. Speaking of those Rays, since September 2015, Chris Archer is 1-6 against the Pinstripes with an ERA approaching 4 in 8 starts. Not a great trend. Drop a unit on the home team. A bonus play here is the over at 8.5. The other play I love for Thursday is one of the best values on the board. Go with the White Sox plus a run and a half at plus 130 against the Cubs as the Crosstown Classic Series wraps up on the south side. Cubs starter Jon Lester is 6-6 against the Pale Hose with an ERA around 4.5 and 14 career starts, and Chi Sox starter Mike Pelfrey is 2-0 with an ERA under 2 and 3 career starts against the Cubbies. Take the run and a half to the bank and cash in. That'll do it for today. Happy wagering, everyone.